Hi guys, welcome to Zuri Interiors. Today we are going to do a simple Christmas tree setup. It's that time of the year, so let's get into the festive season. So I have my tree here. I've had it for quite some time. It's just that you need to have proper storage and you can keep using it over and over again. So the first step, we put down the base and then we put our tree. It's in two compartments, so we'll put the first one and then we put this. Yeah, so that's our tree. And the first step, after setting it up, you have to split the branches so that it looks fluffy and to give you a good time when you're doing the decor. You don't want it to be clumsy. So we'll start from the top going downwards. Spread the branches so that it's fluffy. That's the upper part, and now we get to this lower one. Just do the same thing, we spread them out. Yeah, I think I can comfortably work with this as it is. So now we get to the interesting part of putting up the decor and the ornaments. So it depends with your style. My ornaments are mostly gold and red, which is the traditional Christmas theme, but you can do silver and blues if you prefer the frosty look, or you can do wooden ornaments if you prefer to have the rusty look. So let's get to this. So I'll start with the lighting so that I can put it inside as we come outside. So these are my lights. So I prefer starting from the base going upwards, but as I mentioned, I'll start with the inside as I come outside so that the lighting is balanced for the entire tree. Remember, you can start whichever way you like. This is just a preference that I have, but you can do it anyhow, whichever way works for you. So there we have it. I haven't tested these lights for a while now, so we'll just turn it on to see if they're still in the condition we left them at. Yeah, that is okay. This is what I was telling you about. It has to be inside as well as the outer part of the tree. So now we get to the ornaments bit. I mentioned earlier I'm doing a lot of gold and red. It also goes in sync with the color scheme of my house, and so that's why I chose that. So we start with the lower part for the big ones as we get to the smaller ones as we go upwards. So yeah. Remember to decorate both the inside and the outside parts as well. So I have this, it's a ribbon with some lighting, it's battery powered. Let's turn it on. So I'm thinking we put it at the base of the tree. You can put it wherever, you can spread it across. So guys, I feel as though our tree is good to go. You could do more if you wish. So now I think this is enough to show that the festive season is actually here with us. So what I'll do, I'll now rush out, get very good boxes, get presents, wrap them up. We are ready for the festive season. Thanks guys for keeping it real with us in 2024. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in 2025. Bye.